fix Instagram call ended problem. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix Instagram call ended problem. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. To check, you want to launch Open Play Store. Now tap on this search icon, then type Instagram. Now, if you find the option of update, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the app. Once that is done, next thing you want to do is open up your settings, then tap on apps. Now find Instagram and tap on that. Now tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, launch open the Instagram app. Now check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, head over to your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then scroll all the way down and find the option of help, tap on that. Now tap on report a problem, then tap on report problem. Now tap include and continue. Here you want to type in that you're facing the issue of Instagram call ended. Attach screenshots if you have that and tap on the send option. Then the customer support of Instagram will help you fix your problem, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.